Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to resize your video from a horizontal video to a vertical video on Canva. So quickly, what we want to do here is click on the video that you want to resize. Now, there are two ways for you to do this. You can do it using the toolbar here. On the upper left corner, you'll see resize. Just click on Instagram story, copy and resize. Then automatically, this will resize this video to an Instagram story right here. Now, another way to do this is by right clicking on the video and then again, just click on resize page and then click on customize size. And now you can customize it depending on how you want to be customized vertically. But if you want a solid vertical video, then definitely Instagram story will work, or an Instagram post will also work for a horizontal video. And that's it. Resize your video depending on however you want using Canva. We hope we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit, of course, the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guide.